You avoided me today.
I did, yes.
Why did you?
I felt awkward.
About what exactly?
Yesterday's situation?
The meeting issue?
Yes, that moment.
You still thinking?
All day thinking.
What bothers you?
How I reacted.
What was wrong?
I stayed silent.
Why stay silent?
I felt unsure.
Unsure about what?
My own voice.
That sounds deep.
It felt heavy.
Did they ignore you?
It felt like that.
Or you felt small?
I felt very small.
That changes everything.
Yes, it does.
What did you think?
I do not matter.
Do you believe that?
Part of me does.
Other part disagrees.
Yes, it fights back.
That part is strong.
But it feels weak.
Because fear is loud.
Very loud inside.
What scared you most?
Everyone watching me.
Watching silently?
Yes, just watching.
That creates pressure.
Too much pressure.
Did your voice shake?
Yes, it did.
Then what happened?
My mind stopped.
Completely blank?
Yes, nothing there.
That feels scary.
Very scary moment.
Did you leave?
No, I stayed.
That shows courage.
It felt like panic.
Courage feels like that.
I never knew.
Now you see.
A little bit.
What happened after?
I avoided everyone.
Why avoid them?
I felt embarrassed.
Embarrassment is strong.
Very strong feeling.
Did anyone say anything?
No one said anything.
Then why assume worst?
My mind does that.
Mind fills gaps.
With negative thoughts.
That is common.
Still feels real.
Feelings feel real.
Yes, very real.
But not always true.
I know that.
But hard to accept.
Very hard sometimes.
What do you want?
I want confidence.
Confidence comes slowly.
I want it faster.
Fast change is rare.
I understand that.
Start very small.
What small step?
Speak one line.
Just one line?
Yes, only one.
That feels possible.
Keep it simple.
No long talking.
Exactly, no pressure.
What if freeze again?
Pause for a moment.
Then continue slowly?
Say one word.
Only one word?
Yes, just one.
That removes pressure.
Exactly the idea.
I like that.
No need perfect.
Perfection blocks me.
It blocks many people.
I overthink a lot.
That increases pressure.
Yes, too much pressure.
Let it go slowly.
I will try.
Try or decide.
I will decide.
That sounds stronger.
I feel stronger.
What about tomorrow?
I feel nervous.
About meeting again?
Yes, same people.
What worries you?
They remember me.
And then what?
They judge me again.
Or you judge yourself.
Maybe myself more.
Be honest now.
I judge myself.
You judge yourself?
Yes, very harshly.
What do you say?
I am not good.
That sounds painful.
It really hurts.
Is it true?
Not always true.
Then why repeat it?
It feels automatic.
Like a habit?
Yes, a bad habit.
Habits can change.
I want that change.
Start with awareness.
What does that mean?
Just notice your thoughts.
Just notice them?
Yes, no judgment.
That feels strange.
New things feel strange.
I can try that.
Try or decide.
I decide now.
Good. Stay firm.
I will stay firm.
What about tomorrow?
I will show up.
That is step one.
Yes, just show up.
Then what next?
I will speak once.
Just one line?
Yes, only one.
Keep it simple.
No pressure on me.
Exactly, no pressure.
I feel lighter.
That is a sign.
What kind of sign?
You are letting go.
Letting go slowly.
That is enough.
I feel calm now.
Calm helps thinking.
Yes, I think better.
What if you freeze?
I will pause.
Then say one word.
Yes, one word.
Then continue slowly.
That feels doable.
You are capable.
I want to believe that.
Say it clearly.
I am capable.
Say again slowly.
I am capable.
Feel the words.
I feel something.
That is confidence.
Small confidence, maybe.
Small is powerful.
I believe that.
What about fear?
Still there inside.
That is okay.
I accept it.
Fear and action together.
Yes, together now.
That is real growth.
I see that now.
Tomorrow is chance,
Yes, new chance.
not same version.
I am different now.
That changes everything.
Yes, it does.
What if judged?
I stay calm.
And then
I keep speaking.
that is strong.
I feel stronger.
Say it clearly.
I am stronger.
Again, say it.
I am stronger.
Believe it fully.
I believe now.
What did you learn?
My thoughts lie.
And what else?
I can speak.
That is important.
Very important for me.
No hiding anymore.
No hiding now.
That is your win.
Yes, my small win.
Celebrate that win.
I will celebrate.
You deserve it.
Thank you for support.
Always here for you.
That means a lot.
Now take action.
I will take action.
Tomorrow proves it.
Yes, tomorrow proves.